in this part, it says, now the teacher needs your help converting the student score to a letter grade. Complete the getGrade function that takes a number score as a parameter. Your function should return a string representing a letter grade based on the score. And we have scores here and the corresponding letter grades. That that would mean a score exactly 100 would correspond to a grade A plus plus, or and rather a score ranging from 90 to 99 corresponds to a grade letter A or A, and so on and so forth. And we have a tips here. It says, where remember that you learned about conditional statements with the if, as if, and else, and the comparison operators. Okay, so let's see what we know. We know that we have a getGrade function here that takes a score as a parameter. This score is a number that will be compared to our if conditions. So let's start from our score range 100. So start with an if keyword, if, parentheses, which is its condition, and the parameter, which is the score that would be compared to our condition 100. So if the score is exactly 100, that would correspond to a A plus grade, and so we would return the string A plus plus. Oops. Whoa. Okay, chill. And don't forget the semicolon. So if we check, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 1, 2, 3, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yes, that's actually 5. Just forget the 7th part. So again, let's do the second score range, which ranges between 90 to 99. That corresponds rather to a grade A. So we will use else if, because we just started with if, and the condition would be score is greater than 90. What does that mean? So that would mean that the score will covers this score covers from 90 to 89. Excuse me, 99 actually, because this one, the first condition, actually covers exactly 100. Therefore, this one covers from 90 to 99. As you can see, is greater or equal to the score. Okay, then we would return the corresponding string A. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, let's check if it works. 80 to 89. Okay, it works. So let's just copy this one and paste it in here. So rather than 90, it covers 80. That would mean this else if condition covers from from ranging 80 to 89, because the first else if condition already covers from 90 to 99. So yeah, and what corresponds to this range, score range rather, that would be letter B, grade B. And let's do the same with the others. This would be 70. That corresponds to a grade C. And then this would be, this covers from 70 to range 79. And then let's do the other one, which has a score range from 60 to 69. Okay. that has a corresponding grade D, and then 0 to 59. Okay, that would be not an else if, but an else block. Else block, and then it returns F, because this one is greater than 60, score is greater than 70, score is greater than 80, and it increases to 100. Therefore, what is lower than this, what is lower than all of this score range would be grade F. So we do it with an else block, and we return with a string F. Nice.